yummy, gorgeous new paper from Rembrandt. Ooh la la! Watercolor paper, cold pressed, fine, 140 pounds, 100% cotton, 4 sides glued to make a block, 20 sheets. Okay, ignore the feet coming into my studio and stealing my studio furniture. Pastel paper light colors, 75 pounds, 6 colors, 5 sheets each. Pastel paper dark colors, 75 pounds, 30 sheets. There are 6 colors and 5 sheets of each. Gorgeous. Oil paper, 140 pounds, canvas grain, 4 sides glued to make a block, 10 sheets. I can't wait to start playing with these. Thanks for watching.